Love the wild look of wolves? These dog breeds will blow your mind. First up, the Siberian Husky. With their striking blue eyes and thick double coat, they're the ultimate wolf look-alike, but much friendlier. Next, the Alaskan Malamute. These gentle giants resemble wolves with their powerful build and fluffy tails, perfect for snow adventures. Then there's the Czechoslovakian Wolfdog, an actual wolf-dog hybrid that's loyal, energetic, and incredibly unique. Finally, the Tamaskan Dog, a rare breed bred to look like wolves, but with the temperament of a loving family pet. Which one is your favorite? Comment below if you'd want a wolfy companion.